Welcome to the Achtung Schmetterling Kitchens. In this video, we're going to make yogurt. You're probably thinking, why the would I make yogurt? Well, because it's fun, because it's interesting, because you get to see bacteria do their thing, and because it's delicious. So what do you need? Well, you need milk. I use cow's milk, whole milk. This says whole milk. 3.6% fat. You need some yogurt with active yogurt cultures. So yeah, take plain yogurt, not other yogurt. And my secret ingredient, cream. It makes it really delicious. I think today we also need some coffee to make the yogurt. We start with the milk cream mixture. I use about a quarter, we're making a half a liter of yogurt, okay? 500 milliliters of yogurt. About a quarter of that I put in cream, and then comes the milk. We need 2 cups or a half a liter of milk. An advantage of making yogurt is that it takes a really long time, but it mostly consists of doing nothing. The hardest part is heating up the milk, and heating up milk is not that hard. So the whole thing is not that hard, even if you think it might be difficult and mysterious. So let's heat up the milk cream mixture. I have my handy whisk to whisk it. We're going to make this yogurt without any special equipment. We don't even need a thermometer. So if you don't have a thermometer, you can go ahead and make this yogurt anyway. I'll show you how to do it. So now we have to heat up the milk to about 82 degrees Celsius. I don't know offhand what that is in Fahrenheit. You wait until the milk is kind of bubbly and has steam coming up from it. We're still kind of far away from that point. As you can see, bubbles are starting to form on the surface of the milk. So now we've already reached step 2, which is a very easy step because you do nothing. I've taken the milk off the heat, and the milk should cool to about 46 to 49 Celsius. Again, we can figure out when it's reached that temperature without a thermometer, and I'll show you how to do that. I tend to just leave it for 20 minutes. And then I come back and I check the temperature because it will need at least 20 minutes to cool to the correct temperature. 20 minutes have passed, and now we can check if our milk is cool enough. But like I said, we don't need a thermometer for this, so we use our thumb, our thoroughly washed thumb. Put it into the milk and we hold it there to the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And basically it's supposed to be cool enough so that you don't desperately want to pull your thumb out. Which brings us to step 3, inoculating the milk. You take some regular supermarket yogurt, in this case, a tablespoon. You need a tablespoon for a half a liter or 2 cups of milk. But you have to be careful. You can't just stick it in the milk and shock the little yogurt bacteria. You have to slowly mix in the warm milk into the yogurt. So I'd say our yogurt is ready to go into the milk. So put that in, mix it up. And now you have yogurt in the making, which allows us to move on to step 4. Step 4 involves keeping the milk in a warm place for about 8 hours. So we put it into a container. We cover it with a little aluminum foil. I take a towel, kind of a thick towel, wrap it in the towel to keep it warm. And then we put it in a warm place. Now for you, this might be on top of the radiator. I put it into the oven. Set the oven to 37 degrees, which is 37 degrees Celsius, which is body temperature. This seems to work well. And you put that yogurt into the oven and you wait for about 8 hours. So 8:10. Oh well, it'll be okay. It's not a very exact thing. So now you just wait. This is the best step. You just do nothing. No, I'm not going to stand here for 8 hours. You can do whatever you want, really. Or you can drive someplace far, far away. So the 8 hours have passed, and we have yogurt. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. And go forth and make your own yogurt.